Hi, Goo-Goo. How are you?
Hello.
How are you? Do you know how many years you are? Are you 2?
2.
Are you gonna do a jump and then a roll? Whoa! Big roll. Arms up. Arms up. Oh, you did it. Good girl. You want to do it again? Are you gonna do it again? Okay. You're gonna do the big jump?
Yes.
And the roll? Jump and roll? What's that? What's that? What's that? Is that Puppy's phone? Is hello.
Hello.
Okay, here she goes. You gonna jump? Good girl. Soleil, you did it! Arms up! Wow! Good girl, you did it. Oh, good girl, you did it. She was swinging.
Swinging?
Yeah, you were swinging. Do it again. February 13th, 2014, and Goo-Goo is 2. Ta-da! Can you look at Mommy? Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, camera. Hi, camera. No. Wait. Did you just see Mimi? Did Mimi come and stay with you? Where did Mimi go?
Uncle.
Bye-bye. Where'd she go to?
Move.
She went home to see who?
Bye-bye.
Who did she go home to see?
Bye-bye.
She went to Mimi's home.
No, bye-bye.
She went bye-bye. Did she go see Grampy?
Yes.
Yes.
Pay attention.
And what does Grampy say? What does Grampy say?
Gobble.
Gobums, that's right. Do you want gobums?
Yes.
You want Grampy to give you gobums?
No.
Huh? Oh. What are you doing? Where'd you go? You want gobums?
No.
No. You have to go potty? Soleil? What are you doing? You have to go potty? It's almost time for night-night. Did you have fun with Mimi?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think of the snow?
I'm painting.
Did you like the snow?
Yes.
Did we build a snowman? Huh? Did we build a snowman? Sort of. It was a very tiny one.
Auntie.
Not even Auntie?
Yes.
Is that Auntie? No, that's a boy.
What?
Show Mommy what's on your hands. What's on it? What's on your hand? Oh, is that a kitty cat? Show camera. Show the camera. Hold up your hand so the camera can see. Say bye-bye, camera.